Oh, somebody reached out to us. I don't know if maybe some of you guys know him. I've actually just bumped into him on a job. Well, he bumped into some of my friends. My friends and his friends bumped. Technically, it wasn't me that bumped into him, but he gave us a little gift. So if you know who he is, comment below if you follow him as well. Hey guys, it's Cam with TekamoHD, and I'm gonna reply to some of your comments. Ronald Brosius is telling me to spray the duo cone with brake cleaner, and I can push it right in. Thanks, man. Thanks for the tip. But I need to be fast. Yeah, I do that a lot. So, thanks. But it doesn't always work. I'm pretty sure I was douching that thing with brake clean. Watch the other videos, then come back and comment at me. Shane Doyle, he says, thanks Josh and Cam. Best HD channel on YouTube, high definition. That's what we strive for. And he's from Ireland too. He says a big thank you all the way from Ireland. Here's another one. I heard Josh is so crucial, he saved a whole city from being burned down. Is that a true story, Josh? Was it a homeless camp? How much further down can I go? They burned to the ground, they're already on the ground. Put a tarp down. I like that one. Badzioch 64. You guys gotta change your usernames. I already have a hard time with them. Now I gotta reread the YouTube default. Yeah, Badzioch says, nice to see a Cam work video. I don't normally work, that's why I'm in my board shorts right now. Put a tarp down, clean dirt, then pull tarp out with dirt on it. I'll just drag 500 pounds worth of dirt over some pit run. Sure. It's always easier said than done in the comments. A biker for life. Thanks, Josh. Another thanks, Josh. And Cam, I guess. You can thank me too. For entertaining commentary. I get like 90% of the comments saying they like the commentary, and then like one or two, they're like, this guy talks too much. Less talky. And I hold on to them and they stick deep in my soul and I cling to them for a long time. Yeah, yeah, another one like right after we need more Cam comedy. Oh, that's always funny. Tell my wife that, because she doesn't agree. Love the long format video, says Kinnersian. Kinnersian? Or is it Kinner Sean? I don't know. Keep up the great work and video content. Yeah, I don't know, we like doing long videos. I like them, like day in the life type of stuff, but they take a lot of work and we don't always get the jobs for them, so just take what you can get and enjoy it, savor it, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Shout out to Miles from Vincent Contracting for letting us film that job and yeah, giving us a call for the work in general. I mean, thank him in the comments, get some stickers. If you comment Miles. Yeah, if you commented last time, you should have gotten some stickers. So comment again and tell us if they arrived or not. The Cali Red Nose Sav says, the safety bolt part when training the final drive got me to sub. That wasn't intentional. I meant to be safe. You know, it happens, whatever. That's life, baby. Sometimes you think you got it in and you're hanging by a thread and she pulls out too soon, premature. Somebody just, oh, Zorthomus. That's Oz. Sorry, your username is all f***ing weird now, so. Bojangly cattywampus scungy fittings are the worst. Great work as always. Is that how you spell scungy? Because I never knew how to actually spell it. Yeah, no one knows how to spell it. Is it with a J and E? Band up. Says, why do I work and them come home and watch Cam do the same work? I don't know about why. You a loser like me? Is your life just absorbed in heavy equipment? That's all you can think about? Cam got himself a fancy pants service truck. I mean, it's not that fancy, but it is mine. People keep asking about truck tours, so yeah, we'll get a new truck tour coming for you guys someday. I'm not sure which truck it'll be. I seem to change them more often than my underpants because I don't actually wear any, so. My Ram? Oh yeah, you saw the Ram? Don't look up my shorts. The Milwaukees are super powerful, but you have to have a fully charged high output battery. Best way is to mix air and electric as it suits you. That's what wing shooter, I can't say your name without getting canceled. Best way is to mix air and electric. How do you do that? Do you plug like a air fitting into the battery pack at the same time? Oh, somebody grew up in Gibsons. Yeah, it's a nice place. It says Murder Calm. Morbid name. Jamiller Golf. Can someone explain to me how rebuilding this is more cost effective than just replacing the entire final drive? Great video, but I find it difficult to believe that parts plus labor on this job are cheaper than replacing the entire drive. I know jack shit about the cost of these repairs, so maybe someone that does can educate me on this, but great video, very informative and interesting. Well, apparently it wasn't informative enough, so I'm glad you can admit that you don't know jack shit about it, so. I'm just kidding. We actually priced out a final, remember? Didn't we? Yeah, we priced out a final. It was cheaper to rebuild, for us to rebuild this final. Somebody actually commented below, you know, it's for us, it's cost, timeline, blah, blah, blah. That's a lot of stuff, right? There's a lot of factors that weigh into replacement versus rebuilding. Ultimately, at the end of the day, I always leave it to the customer's decision, and I give my recommendation on, are you prioritizing downtime, cost? You know, like, can the machine sit for a little bit while we wait for parts to show up or while we wait for a rebuild to happen? And, you know, like availability is one of the other factors, right? Sometimes it's more just like it's an inconvenience because the job needs to get done at a certain time. Sometimes there's just, you know, well, most times there's an actual dollar figure. A lot of people just don't have it completely dialed in. Like even me, I don't know exactly what it cost me when my trucks go down, but I know it cost me quite a bit because I can't bill out that day. So for, you know, a customer like Miles, you know, it's putting down his whole job in a sense. It's slowing productivity down. Maybe there's a spare excavator that they can use, but it's not as productive because it's not the same size machine. There's a lot of factors that you can weigh. And if it's not super urgent and we're going cost effective, you know, or if we're urgent and we need to just get it up and running, sometimes, you know, that all plays into it. Like I said, at the end of the day, you make it the customer's decision, like you leave it up to the customer to decide. That's the right choice, ultimately, is the customer. So, customer's always right. They're always right until they're not. Yeah, I hope that answers it somewhat. For this one in particular, I don't recall the exact cost. I threw the number by my customer. I gave him the timeline on what it would take to ship it. And I gave him a rough ballpark on rebuilding it. So, you can often buy as well, you can often buy aftermarket final drives, and I think they're a little bit inferior quality. I mean, they'll work, but nothing's gonna beat an OEM final drive rebuilt to like OEM standards. I mean, that final drive would get 10,000 hours or something versus 3,000 hours, let's say, I don't know, you know, but rebuilding an OEM a lot of times can be better than just buying an aftermarket final. So that's another reason, you know, to maybe stick with rebuilding versus, you know, an aftermarket. You know, you can put them side by side. They don't look the same always, and, you know, quality-wise, you know, yeah. Thanks for the comment. Thanks for those, yeah, we like those kind of questions because I like being able to answer that kind of stuff because a lot of people don't know, and a lot of guys starting out don't really know which way to go with that kind of stuff too. Bottom line, leave it up to your customer to make that final call. For Black Man 1? Is that a real username? It's literally for Black Man 1. Still hoping to get one of those My Trade, Your Degree stickers. Yeah, one day. Oh, Terry? Yeah, sure. I'll do it standing because he's special. Terry the baker, the candlestick maker. Terry Butcher. This one's for 2-bolt Terry, Turbo Terry. Awesome video as usual. Going to try to send you some pictures when I can. I'll believe it when I see it. Yeah, thanks for always commenting, Terry. Thanks for all the comments and the support and the hugs and the kisses and the new truck tour. Check it out, you guys. No, this isn't mine.